Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Okay. I hope and I pray that you may be healthy. Okay, children. Yesterday we completed our topic conjunctions. Today we will start our new topic sentences. In this, children, we will read what is sentence, what is there in some sentence. Means किसके बारे में बात हो रही है और क्या बात हो रही है. So that is subject and predicate, and then we will know about types of sentences. So first we will know about sentences. What is a sentence? A group of words which has a meaning. A group of words which has a meaning. That a group of words put together in a way that make sense. Means ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स जिनको हम इकट्ठा करते हैं, जिनका कोई मतलब निकलता है, जिनका कोई मीनिंग निकलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंस. ओके, अब नाउ एक सेंटेंस में किसी के बारे में भी बात हो रही होगी और कुछ उसके बारे में भी बात हो रही होगी, राइट. देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग अबाउट विच वी आर टॉकिंग एंड वट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. सो वट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इज प्रेडिकेट, एंड अबाउट विच टॉपिक और विच थिंग वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, और क्या बात हो रही है उसके बारे में दैट इज प्रेडिकेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सन शाइन्स. नाउ हेयर द सब्जेक्ट इज सन एंड इट्स प्रेडिकेट इज शाइन्स. नाउ I met a little girl. Yesterday I met a little girl. Now here subject is I and predicate is met a little girl. So likewise it is subject and predicate. Then how many types of sentences are there? There are, children, four types of sentences. Four types of sentences. Number one is declarative or assertive sentence. You can say assertive also, and or declarative. Second is interrogative. And third is imperative. And fourth is exclamatory. Now, children, in two kinds of sentences, means declarative and imperative. In the end, there is full stop. And in interrogative sentence, there is question mark at the end. And in exclamatory sentence, there is an exclamation mark in the sentence. It may be in the between or at the end. So here are these two kinds of sentences. You can easily tell about these two kinds of sentences: interrogative and exclamatory. Interrogative means in those sentences which you ask questions: what, which, how, where. Anything you at the end question mark should come. You should ask a question. Then those sentences are called interrogative sentences. Exclamatory sentences, in which you tells your feelings. It may be when you are sad, when you are happy, when you are excited, or anything. You are anger, when you are angry, when you are sad, when you are excited, when you are happy. Anything here when you tells your feelings, the expressions which you use, words which you use for your feelings, after that we use this exclamation mark. So these are called exclamatory sentences. In this you will find an exclamation mark, and in interrogative you will find an question mark. Means जिन sentences के लास्ट में question mark आए, जिनमें आप क्वेश्चन पूछो, those are called interrogative sentences. Questions कुछ भी हो सकता है, which, where, how, when, what. So all these sentences जिनके लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क आए, So they are called interrogative. And anything which has this mark, exclamation mark, these are called exclamatory sentences. Now come to declarative and imperative. In both the sentences we use full stop. In दोनों sentences के last में what you will find is full stop. Now what's the difference? How will you find out that it is declarative or imperative? Now children, declarative or assertive means simple sentences जिसमें ना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं, कोई एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क नहीं. सेकंड, उसमें आपको सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन दी होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई गो टू स्कूल, सिंपल. न्यू दिल्ली इज कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, मुंबई इज कैपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इज इन मुंबई, चार मीनार इज इन हैदराबाद. So these are simple sentences which give you information. So at last we use full stop. Now comes imperative sentences. In this, if you have an order or you give a command or you give a request to someone, so these sentences are called imperative. Now children, in these sentences, imperative sentences, आपको ऐसे words मिलेंगे like please, or you will give a command like shut the door, come here, stand up, close the window. So these kind of, or please give me a pen, means जहां आप either you have a request or an order or a command. ये जो इनमें अगर आपको तीनों में से कोई भी एक चीज मिलती है सेंटेंस में, then they are imperative sentence. And if simple sentences है, कोई order, कोई command नहीं, कुछ नहीं, no question mark, no exclamation mark, so they are called declarative sentences. Let's come to our book exercise. See, first of all, subject and predicate. Karina is a good girl. Now here your subject is Karina, rest of the sentence is predicate. Her hair is black. Now her hair, you are talking about her hair, so her hair is subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. The rain came down suddenly. The rain came down suddenly. Now the rain is subject and suddenly is predicate. It is very cloudy today. So it is very cloudy today. So today is subject and it is very cloudy is predicate. Emma and her brother bought a birthday present for me. Emma and her brother is subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. Birds have feathers. Birds is subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. Allison's brother bought a new car. Allison's brother is subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. There are many leaves lying on the ground. Leaves subject, lying on the ground is predicate. Now come to our next question, children. We have to complete the sentences either with subject or with predicate. The horse runs fast. The students of St. John's School are very intelligent or are very polite. You can write anything, children. Dash asked me to go to the store. You can say mummy asked me to go to the store, or my mother asked me, or my sister, my brother, my father, anyone you can say. Ivan reads a book daily. Dash read a book to the students. Teacher read a book to the students. The people in the house are very loving. So these question number 2 is also complete. Now come to question number 3. Here you have to tell children whether it is assertive means declarative, as I told you. It may be assertive or declarative, then interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Now they are saying for declarative sentence or assertive sentence you have to write A if the sentence is declarative. Interrogative sentence के लिए you have to write I. For imperative sentence you have to write I am. और exclamatory sentence के लिए you have to write E. अगर वो assertive या declarative है so you have to write A sentence के बॉक्स में यहाँ पर, और लास्ट में अच्छा ये बॉक्सेस में चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू राइट पंक्चुएशन मींस फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क, फुल स्टॉप और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, दीज यू हैव टू राइट एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल दीज वेदर दे आर असर्टिव, इंटरोगेटिव, इंपेरेटिव और एक्सक्लेमेटरी. नाउ फर्स्ट इज माई डॉग एट माई होमवर्क. सिंपल सेंटेंस है तो राइट फुल स्टॉप, बॉक्स में फुल स्टॉप लिखो और फर्स्ट में लिख दो ए. What a delicious cake. Now here, अब आप इसमें अपनी फीलिंग्स बता रहे हो चिल्ड्रन कि क्या डिलीशियस, कितना टेस्टी केक है. What a delicious cake. So last में what you will do is exclamation mark. First में you have to write full stop in the box and you have to write A. Second is exclamation mark and then it is E. Then third, how did you make this cake? तुमने ये केक कैसे बनाया. नाउ ऑब्वियसली यू आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, सो राइट क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड राइट आई. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. देन फोर्थ वी हैव कैन यू कैरी दिस बॉक्स फॉर मी. नाउ हियर यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग. अब इधर आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू, क्या आप कर सकते हो, क्या आप ये बॉक्स मेरे लिए उठा सकते हो. So request आ जाएगा imperative. So fourth is full stop. At the end full stop will come, but here you will write imperative. क्योंकि यहाँ आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो किसी से कि क्या आप मेरा वो काम कर सकते हो. Help a snake. अब here to है क्योंकि help के बाद में क्या आएगा चिल्ड्रन दिस. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में आपको दिस करना है और सेकेंड बॉक्स में यू हैव टू राइट फुल स्टॉप. अब यू विल से मैम दोनों आ गए, चाहे दोनों आए चिल्ड्रन, बट इफ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क इज देयर देन इट इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. चाहे फुल स्टॉप आए उसमें, बट इफ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क इज देयर देन इट इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. Sixth is open the window. Now here also you are ordering open the window. So it is full stop and it is imperative sentence. Get out of my room. Here also you are ordering. So full stop and imperative sentence. Don't you trust me? Here you are asking question. क्या तुम मेरे को ट्रस्ट नहीं करते? So don't you trust me. Here also you are asking question. So here question mark and interrogative. Now last sentence. Stop moving. Here also you are ordering. So full stop and imperative sentence. Children, these two question answers you have to do in notebook. As अब इन 4 sentences में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इन ऑल दीज 4 sentences you have to make क्वेश्चन मार्क. और क्वेश्चन मार्क बनाने के लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, ये सेंटेंस के पहले लिखने. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैज, इज, आर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हर्ष हैज ईटन हिज आइसक्रीम. हैज पहले लगा दो, रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस राइट लाइक दिस. हैज हर्ष ईटन हिज आइसक्रीम एंड लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. शी इज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. Is she a student of class 4th? और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. The girls are singing loudly. Are the girls singing loudly? एंड लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. It is very hot today. Is it very hot today? एंड लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो आपने क्या किया? All these 4 helping verbs is, has और are, इन सबको आपने पहले लिख दिया सेंटेंस के, और रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस एज इट इज है उसके बाद में. एंड लास्ट में इंस्टेड ऑफ फुल स्टॉप यू हैव टू राइट क्वेश्चन मार्क. Now these four in question number 5 questions are given and you have to write answers. For example, is the wind blowing from the west? क्या वो wind west से आ रही है? So you can write yes or no, anything you want. Yes, the wind is blowing from the west. Simple. Are you my best friend? आप कुछ भी कह सकते हो children. Yes, you are my best friend or no, you are not my best friend. Anything. Has Veena locked the cupboard? No, Veena has not locked the cupboard. Or yes, Veena has locked the cupboard. Will Ajay wait for me? And now again you can write both the answers. Yes, Ajay will wait for me, or no, Ajay will not wait for me. Now children, in both the questions you can write the questions lines in itself. आप book में भी लिख सकते हो, इनके ऊपर लिख सकते हो. You have the space here. और यू कैन राइट इन फेयर नोटबुक एनी विच वे यू वांट. जो भी चाहो आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हो. इन 4 के क्वेश्चंस आप इजीली बना सकते हो चिल्ड्रन. और यू कैन राइट आप इज हैज और आर तीनों 4 को यहां से कट करके यहाँ पे जस्ट क्रॉस करो और इनको आगे लिख दो सेंटेंस के. और लास्ट में जस्ट एड अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आप इनके आंसर्स इनके नीचे लिख सकते हो. whether you are writing yes or no, it's your own wish. और जो हमारा लेसन चैप्टर 16 है, कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड पंचुएशन चिल्ड्रन, ये मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग से फ्रॉम आई एम टीचिंग यू दिस फ्रॉम डे 1. सो आई थिंक दिस विल बी इजी फॉर यू एंड ट्राई टू डू दिस चैप्टर योरसेल्फ एज मच एज यू कैन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज इसमें समझाने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. आई एम टीचिंग यू फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग कि वेयर यू हैव टू यूज फुल स्टॉप, वेयर यू हैव टू यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क, where you have to use capital sentence or where you don't have to use capital sentence. Means punctuation I have already told you. Still some points are there like question mark or exclamation mark, comma is there. So we will do definitely. Apostrophe भी इसमें दिया हुआ है जो मैं आपको already समझा चुकी हूँ. So this chapter we will do in our next class, but I would say that try to do it yourself. जितना हो सके आप इसको अपने आप करिए. It is very nice chapter. Okay children, and punctuation I have already told you. So do this chapter number 15 and 16. 15 so we have discussed and rest we will discuss it in our live class. And chapter number 16 I would say that try to do yourself as much as you can and then match your answers. Okay children, so that's for today. Bye everyone. Thank you.